Ever wondered what your home is really worth beyond the warm, fuzzy feelings and questionable DIY projects? Well, let me introduce you to a little something called equity. So you've bought a home. Congrats! You're paying down your loan month after month. And if you're lucky, your property will continue its own growth spurt and grow in value. Now, the difference between the amount you owe and the value of your home, that right there is everyone's favorite word starting with E, right behind equestrian, equity. It's your home's personal savings account. The more you pay off, and the more your home value grows, just like your neighbor who's constantly lifting weights in the garage, the more jacked your equity gets. But what is it really? Think of your home as a delicious treat, like a Coles chocolate mud cake. When you first buy your cake, or your home, often your lender owns almost the entire thing, except for a small delicious sliver. This belongs to you and represents your upfront contribution, aka your deposit. Every repayment you make, and every bit of value your house gains, if the property goes up in value, means you're slicing off a bigger piece for yourself. Eventually, you may even own the whole cake. Now, why should you care about this delicious chocolate cake known as equity? Here's where it gets cool. That equity isn't just a number on a screen. It's a powerful tool that can help you make things happen. Want to renovate your kitchen and finally fix up the ugly splashback your mother-in-law says she loves? Equity can help. Thinking about investing in another property to grow your property portfolio and need a deposit? Equity can help. Maybe you want to consolidate some debt and simplify your life. You guessed it, equity can help. It's all about making your home loan work for you. Leveraging what you've built to create more opportunities. But you can only leverage your usable equity, not your total equity. The difference? Total equity is the total value of your home minus what you owe. But usable equity, that's the amount you can actually access. A lender will usually only let you borrow up to 80% of your home's value, because that remaining 20% is like a safety net for them. So your usable equity is your total equity minus that 20% buffer. A loan market broker can help you understand how much usable equity you have and help you access it.
Loan Market. Make it yours.